Welcome to CodeChef. Today we're going to explore something called pre-order in a tree. Look at this tree. We have the number 1 at the top. It's connected to 2 other numbers, 2 and 3. From 3, we have 2 more numbers, 4 and 5. These connections show how the numbers are related. Now, pre-order is like a special way to list these numbers. We start at the top, which is the number 1. We write it down first. Then we go down to the left. From 1, we go to 2. We write 2 down next, right after 1. Now we go back up to 1 and then down to the right, which is 3. We add 3 to our list. From 3, we go down to the left again, to 4. We write 4 down. Finally, we go down to the right from 3 to 5. We add 5 to our list. So the pre-order list for this tree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We visited each number in a specific order. The top number first, then the left, and then the right. In technical terms, pre-order traversal means visiting the root node first, then recursively visiting the left subtree, and finally, recursively visiting the right subtree. It's like a systematic way of exploring every part of the tree. And that's pre-order in a tree. Thank you for watching.